Hello, this is your friend Ashish, and you watching your favorite YouTube channel Learning Digital, and our motto is learning for your earning. So as you know, we learn here how to operate online panels and digital world things. So today we going to learn how to use automate batch process in Photoshop. So without wasting a time, we should start this video. But before we start, I want to request to you all, if you new here on our channel, please subscribe for more new informational videos. Also don't forget to press the bell icon for get notification for new uploaded videos. So first of all, you have to open Photoshop and click on action for record steps. After that, recording will be start, and you have to open any file that you want to resize. After that, you have to resize image as per your requirement, mention requried size, and then press OK. After that, save file in another location and close the action recording. After that, click on Automate. You will find in File menu. After that, you will see Batch. Click on that. One dialog box will appear there. First, you have to select Target folder, and after that, you have to select Destination folder. Then press OK. You will see all images resize according your recorded action. So you can check image size in detail of that image. So this is the way to use automate batch process in Photoshop by using action and automate batch. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share this video with your friends who working on Amazon and digital world. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet again in our next video.